What's up guys, it's Matt from TDM Style here and welcome back to the channel for another video. Today we're doing something a little bit different. We are doing an unboxing, unenveloping. We're about to unpack some stuff from Atypical Man. So firstly, sorry that this video is quite a bit later than usual. Things have been insanely busy for me lately and they're staying busy for a little while. I've had some mini vacations and just a lot of stuff happening. So yeah, but here we are. So Atypical Man is a fashion jewelry company and they are brand new. I mean, we're talking like fresh. These guys are out of Canada, and actually I spoke with the CEO, and by the way, just super nice dude, very down-to-earth people, and their whole thing that they're doing to try to kind of separate themselves from the masses of these type of companies. I mean, because let's face it, these companies are everywhere, and most of them are, you know, watches or necklaces or bracelets or whatever. So their whole idea is to have, you know, as most of the other companies, a very affordable price point, but have good quality products. And what these guys are doing differently is that they're, you know, you can do this bundle option. So kind of their whole thing with the bundle idea is that you can get pieces that you know are going to pair well with one another. I mean, a lot of guys, like, they'll want to wear a watch and a bracelet to stack with it. So rather than, you know, trying to buy a watch from this company and a bracelet from this company and hoping that the colors mesh well when you actually get them in the mail, you can get both from the same company, so you know right off the bat that they're going to work well together. And aside from that, since they are, you know, producing these products and shipping them directly to you, they're kind of doing the whole cut out the middleman idea, so that's helping to keep their costs down. So I chose a bracelet and necklace combo because those are two things. I don't have any cool necklaces and I've been like wanting some for a long time, and I like their designs. They're very kind of nautical, you know, classic, like anchors and stuff. And yeah, so without any further ado, let's crack into this bitch and see what they look like. All right, so each piece comes in these kind of, it's an ASMR video now. These are kind of like a suede feeling baggie. I like that, with a drawstring on top. All right, so let's see. In this one, all right, so this is our bracelet. All right, so I like that. It's very clean, it's very minimalist, and you guys know me, I love minimalist stuff. So one thing that I'll mention here while we're having a closer look at this guy is that the straps and things that they make here, these are all made of vegan microfiber. So they're not using leather, they're going with the vegan thing because not only so that vegans can have some jewelry, but also it's a very sustainable resource. And all their metals are stainless steel, and they're kind of marketing them as this kind of hypoallergenic thing because, you know, some people are allergic to certain metals like gold or silver or whatever, and they can't wear them because they get skin irritation. And so this particular type of stainless steel is meant to be hypoallergenic so that anybody can wear them. And so as we can see on the bottom here, we've got this little button to adjust the size. I think that's pretty cool. I haven't seen that in a bracelet before. And yeah, okay, so if you take it out, you can open the whole thing. Now let's put this bitch on. All right, so here we go. I like that. Clean, simple, small, and I can see it would pair very well with a nice like black watch. All right, so next up is gonna be our necklace here. Ooh, yes, I like that. So I went with the silver anchor necklace that we see here, and you can get everything that they offer in, you know, black, silver, or gold. And so once again, obviously all the metals are that same hypoallergenic stainless steel. I like this. This looks sick. If I can only figure out how to put jewelry on myself, that would be super helpful. Hey, we got there. All right, cool. I like that. So it obviously works very well with a nice black shirt. So it gives us just a little pop, stands out nicely. It feels lightweight, but it does feel sturdy, which is nice. I really like the anchor design too. I just think it looks really cool. There's a lot of really nice like small details on there. Oh, hi, QVC hand model. Yes. All right, so let's talk pricing. Now, these guys are operating on Indiegogo. This is like their launch campaign, but they are shipping immediately. So if you buy something, you will get it right away. So if we take a look at their page here, you can see that especially now with this kind of launch sale happening, the prices are ridiculously low. I mean, like 19 bucks for a necklace or a bracelet, or, you know, like 40 bucks, 42 bucks, I think, for a watch, or you can get the bundle with a watch, a bracelet, and a necklace for 72 bucks. I mean, like, that is super affordable. Let's be real. So, I mean, obviously their idea is to have a competitive price point with these other fashion brands out there. So guys like, you know, Movement and Wellington and all that. And I mean, I know there's some controversy around Movement's pricing, but we ain't gonna get into that. So yeah, I like this, man. You know, it's modern, it's minimal, which is my type of thing. It's super affordable, and I really like the whole bundle idea. I honestly, like, I looked around because that's a thing that I feel like I'm not alone. Like, a lot of people probably, when they're looking for this stuff, they're like, oh man, I wish I could get, you know, this and this together, whatever. And I really haven't found any other brands doing it. I mean, are there other companies doing it somewhere? Maybe, I don't know, but I wasn't able to find them. This is honestly the first brand that I found that's doing this kind of, you know, buy your shit together type of deal. So in terms of, you know, the quality materials, we already talked about the, you know, the bracelets and the necklaces. All the metals are stainless steel. All the bands are that vegan microfiber. And as far as the watches are concerned, they are using, you know, the standard kind of mineral hardened glass to be scratch resistant. They're using stainless steel backings that's water resistant up to 30 meters and the whole 9 yards. And they're also using Miyota Japanese crystal movements, which are literally in every single watch that I have, and they keep great time. So yeah, I mean, in short, guys, I think that this is a very cool startup brand to definitely check out. As I mentioned, you know, I spoke with the CEO, super nice guy. And if any of you are wondering, no, this is not a sponsored video. They did send me the jewelry to check out, but we were talking on the phone, and he was just kind of giving me the rundown of their whole like vision behind their brand and, you know, their thoughts on how to keep costs low and stuff. And you know, a lot of these other like watch brands and stuff that have approached me to do reviews have a very structured way that they want to do things. You know, they'll send you a script and they'll say, oh, you know, you have to mention these talking points or whatever. These guys did not do that. He literally told me, like, nope, you're the creator, you know what your viewers like, you know how to make the video best, so just you do what you want, give us your honest thoughts. And so that's something that, you know, as the creator, I super appreciate that. You know, I mean, that's something that a lot of brands don't give you that amount of freedom. So I think from my end of things, that was really cool because, you know, I like to be transparent with you guys, and you know, that was just a really easy way for me to do that. So yeah, Atypical Man. I will have links for everything in the description box below if you want to check it out. They do have about, I think, a month remaining on their Indiegogo campaign before they really kind of kick things off into their standard sales structure. So if you're looking to get like a really kind of an amazing deal, definitely go check it out. So that about wraps things up for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this and found it helpful. I have so much coming. I promise that the budget series is coming. I have a super good one. I think that's going to be great for a first entry. I'm just need time to actually get to it and do it and test the product. I'm testing products all the time that, like, my hair can only take so much. But I promise we're gonna get there, and I have a lot of other, you know, homebrews and other new things that I've been trying for the past couple weeks, so just a ton of stuff coming up. So if you haven't already, please do hit that subscribe button down below to keep up to date with all that, and as always, thank you guys so much for coming by and watching, and we'll see you at the next one.